find the area enclosed by the parabola 4y is equal to 3x square. So ये एक पैराबोला है और एक लाइन है. Now this is very important. तो ये पैराबोला कहाँ खुलता है? ऊपर की तरफ ऐसे. This is 4y is equal to 3x square. तो हमारे पास है 4y is equal to 3x square and then I have this line. तो मैं इस 4y को 2 into 2y is equal to 3x square. I can write it this way, and then I put that 2y as 3x plus 12 is equal to and 3x square, so that I get a quadratic equation. This is 24 is equal to 3x square, and therefore 3x square minus 6x and minus 24 is equal to 0. That is going to give me x square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. So basically when I split this up, I will get two factors, and that will give me x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. So x minus 4 and x plus 2 is equal to 0 gives me x as 4 or x as minus 2. Now this is the line. If I put x as 4, how much do I get? The value of y. If I put here a 4, this will be 12 plus 12, 24 divided by 2. So that's a 12. And if I put x is equal to 2 over here, then I will get the value of y subsequently here. If I put x is equal to minus 2, so I get the value of y is equal to 3. See, 12 minus 6 is 6 and divided by 2. So my points are 4, 12 and minus 2, 3. So 4, 12 will come somewhere here. I'm dropping in like this, ये perpendicular drop किया, और minus 2, 3 कहीं तो भी इधर आएगा, which means ये line कैसे जा रही है? ऐसे जा रही है. And I require this area. So that is area below the line minus area below the curve. ये निकाल देना है. And required area is equal to area below the line minus area below the curve. Look here that I have dropped perpendicular on x-axis, तो limit भी x की लगेगी. And from here I get y is equal to 3 by 4 x square, ये पहला वाला. और दूसरा वाला, if I want to write something in y is equal to, और मैंने 3 को common ले लिया, x plus 4 divided by 2. So that I get systematic equations, smaller ones, and therefore area below the line की ये equation थी 3 by 2 and x plus 4 dx, limit is minus 2 to 4, x coordinate की limits देख रहे हैं, minus area below the curve की equation है 3 by 4 and x square dx, limit is minus 2 to 4. Let's see, 3 by 2, and this part is x square by 2, so I'm writing it as half x square, limit is minus 2 to 4, plus 4 x, limit is minus 2 to 4, minus 3 by 4 and x cube by 3 and minus 2 to 4. So we will get a 3 by 2 and half, and this part is 4 4s are 16, minus and minus 2 square is 4 plus 4 and 4 minus and minus plus 2 minus, if I wished I could have cancelled it, but let me do it in the next step, 1 by 3, and I get 4 cube, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, minus, and minus 2 cube is minus 8, so this will become plus 8. So this 3 and 3 is going to get cancelled. You should know 64 plus 8 is 72. This part is 72. So I can definitely cancel it off. And now I'm going to get 3 by 2. 16 minus 4 is 12 divided by 2 is 6 plus. And 4 plus 2 is 6 4s are 24. When I write like this, it is a detailed explanation. However, these are all mental calculations. So ये वाला मेरे पास कितना आ जाता? This is 30. So 2 and 15. So 15 3s are 45 minus, and this is 4 1s are and 4 8s are. So your answer is 27 square units. Miscellaneous 8 and question number 8, and that says find the area of the smaller region bounded by the ellipse and the given line. Now this is an ellipse, and we must remember ellipse में जिसके नीचे ज़्यादा लिखा होता है, that's the major axis. So basically this is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So A is representing the major axis. So you must remember जहाँ पे ज़्यादा लिखा है, that's the major axis. So in our case, x is the major axis. So this is 3 0 and y is 0 2. Now it's up to me how I want to write down the equation. And this is a line where the x-intercept is 3 and the y-intercept is 2. So therefore, अगर आप इसको समझें, x को अगर 0 लगाओगे तो you are going to get y is equal to 2. This y gets cross multiplied over here. x को 0 लगाओगे तो ये निकल गया. Similarly, you take y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3. तो हमारे पास points हैं 0 2 and 3 0. Which is exactly the point that I have obtained on the ellipse. So this is a line that passes through these 2 points. And I have been asked to find out the area of the smaller region. This one. So area of the smaller region means, this means that I have to find out area below this curved part minus area below the line. Now if you look at this line, basically you are subtracting a triangle. So area of a triangle is equal to half base into height. If you were to see this part of the answer, that would have been half base into height. So I already know that area below the line will come out to be like this, 3 square units. ये आना चाहिए मेरे second part का answer if I was to find out the answer directly. So required area is equal to area below the curve minus area below the line. So it's essential for me to write down the equation of a curve either in terms of x or in terms of y. So I have my equation as x square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1, like this. So I can write down y square by 4 is equal to 1 minus x square by 9. Same ways, y square is equal to, this 4 gets cross multiplied, and when I take the LCM, 9 minus x square and divided by 9. So the value of y is 2 by 3 and under root 9 minus x square, like this. And similarly, if I was to find out the line, that's up to me how I want to write it down. But here again I'm showing it to you. For this equation, I get for the line, it was x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 1. So y by 2 is equal to 1 minus x by 3, which means y is equal to 2. And when I cross multiply, taking the LCM, I get this as the equation of the line. And this is written in terms of x. And so I should know I should put the limit of x. This is going to give me further limit 0 to 3 and under root, I'm writing a 2 by 3 outside, under root 9 minus x square dx minus again 2 by 3, limit is 0 to 3 because the line also has the same limit, and 3 minus x dx. What I'm trying to find out is area below the curve minus area below the line. Now this line along with the x and the y axis made a triangle, so I know my second part answer is 3. However, we shall solve this, and therefore this will give you 2 by 3, and I get x by 2 under root 9 minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a, limit is 0 to 3 minus 2 by 3, and this part is 3x, limit is 0 to 3 minus x square by 2, limit is 0 to 3. Solving which, if I put the upper limit over here in this part, so you can see when I put the upper limit over here, this will become 0 and this will become sine inverse 3 by 3, which is sine inverse 1. The value of sine inverse 1 is pi by 2. So therefore, this will give you 2 by 3. The first part will become 0 and 9 by 2 sine inverse 1, which is a pi by 2. The second part, you could have taken a 2 by 3 common outside, and this will give you 3, and 3 minus 0, upper limit minus lower limit, minus half, and 3 square, which is a 9 minus 0. So therefore, I can cancel this 2 and 2, and I get a 3, which is equal to 3 pi by 2. And here I can take if you wish, you can take out a 3 common outside and simplify. So what am I left with? 3 minus 3 by 2, like this. Or if you wish, you can keep it like this. So that's totally up to you. So basically, I'm getting a 9 minus 9 by 2. So when I take the LCM over here, this part will become 2 by 3, and 9 2s are 18 minus 9, 9 by 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled, and see, this was 3, which was my answer. So this is going to give you 3 pi by 2 and minus 3, which if you wish, you can take out a 3 common, and pi by 2 minus 1, or if you wished, you could have also taken out a 3 by 2 common. So present representation of the answer is up to you. You can leave the answer here.